Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Anna, and today I'm here with my friend Ben.
Hi, everyone. It's so great to be here. I'm Ben, and I'm really excited about today's topic.
Ben, can I ask you something?
Of course, Anna. Go ahead.
Have you ever stood in an airport, completely ready for your trip, but suddenly unsure how to ask a simple question?
Oh, absolutely. My bags were packed, my heart was excited, but my English froze at the check-in desk.
That's exactly today's topic. Fun, practical English phrases for your next trip to the airport.
From check-in to security to finding your gate, we've got you covered start to finish.
No grammar lists today, no tests, just real phrases you can use on your very next flight.
And stay with us because near the end, we have a fun role play for you to practice with us.
By the end of this episode, you'll feel calm, prepared, and ready to travel with confidence.
Let's get comfortable and let's begin.
Ben, let's start at the very beginning. You've just arrived at the airport. What's the first phrase you need?
Something to start the check-in process, right?
Exactly. A great phrase is, I'd like to check in for my flight, please.
Example, I'd like to check in for my flight to Rome, please.
Second example, I'd like to check in for my flight and I have one suitcase.
Let's repeat together, slowly. I'd like to check in for my flight, please.
Next, you'll often be asked, how many bags are you checking today?
A simple answer is, just this one bag. Or, 2 suitcases, please.
Let's repeat. How many bags are you checking today? Just this one bag.
Here's a fun, useful phrase for choosing your seat. Could I have a window seat, please?
Or, if you prefer more freedom to move, could I have an aisle seat, please?
Example, could I have a window seat, please? I love watching the clouds.
Second example, could I have an aisle seat, please? I like to stretch my legs.
Let's repeat both, slowly. Could I have a window seat, please? Could I have an aisle seat, please?
Listener, think about your last flight. Window or aisle? Say your answer out loud using this exact phrase.
I'm always window seat, no question. I love pretending I'm in a movie, looking down at the clouds.
Let's re-drill this whole cluster before we move on.
I'd like to check in for my flight, please.
How many bags are you checking today?
Could I have a window seat, please? Could I have an aisle seat, please?
Wonderful. You're ready for check-in, start to finish.
All right, Ben. Bags checked, boarding pass in hand. Now, security.
This part can feel a little stressful, but a few simple phrases really help.
First, you'll often hear, please remove your laptop from your bag.
And please take off your shoes and jacket.
A helpful response is simply, sure, one moment, please.
Example. Sure, one moment, please. I'm just getting my laptop out.
Let's repeat together. Please remove your laptop from your bag. Sure, one moment, please.
Next, a very useful question, if you're lost. Excuse me, is this the line for security?
Example. Excuse me, is this the line for security or for something else?
Let's repeat slowly. Excuse me, is this the line for security?
And once you're through, you might ask, which way to the gates, please?
Example. Which way to the gates, please? My flight is in an hour.
Second example. Which way to the gates, please? I'm a little lost.
Let's repeat slowly. Which way to the gates, please?
Listener, imagine you're standing right at security now. Try saying out loud, sure, one moment, please.
Simple, polite, and it truly works every single time.
Let's re-drill this cluster. Please remove your laptop. Sure, one moment, please.
Excuse me, is this the line for security?
Which way to the gates, please?
Perfect. Security doesn't have to feel scary once you have the right words.
Ben, airports are huge. What do we do when we're simply lost?
Great question. This is where fun, friendly phrases really save the day.
First, Excuse me, could you point me to the nearest restroom?
Example, excuse me, could you point me to the nearest restroom? It's been a long flight.
Let's repeat, slowly. Excuse me, could you point me to the nearest restroom?
Next, a phrase for checking your gate. Is this the right gate for flight plus your flight number?
Example, is this the right gate for flight BA249?
Second example, is this the right gate for flight to Chicago?
Let's repeat together. Is this the right gate for flight BA249?
And here's a phrase that saves real panic. How much time do I have before boarding?
Example, how much time do I have before boarding? I want to grab a coffee.
Let's repeat, slowly. How much time do I have before boarding?
Finally, a fun, friendly phrase for a coffee shop or restaurant. Could I get a small coffee to go, please?
Example, could I get a small coffee to go, please? My gate is boarding soon.
Let's repeat together. Could I get a small coffee to go, please?
Listener, if you were lost in an airport right now, which phrase would you use first? Asking for the restroom or asking about your gate?
Take a moment and picture yourself saying it confidently, out loud.
Let's re-drill this whole cluster. Could you point me to the nearest restroom?
Is this the right gate for flight?
How much time do I have before boarding?
Could I get a small coffee to go, please?
Excellent. Now you can move through any airport calmly and confidently.
Quick favor before we continue, listener.
If these phrases are helping you feel ready for your trip, please tap that like button. It really helps this podcast reach more travelers like you.
And share this episode with a friend who's flying soon. It might be exactly what they need before their next trip.
All right, get comfortable again. Coming up, phrases for the plane itself, plus a fun roleplay to practice everything together.
Ben, let's move on to the plane now. You're finally in your seat.
This part always feels exciting to me. The trip is really starting.
First, a very useful request. Could I get a blanket, please?
Example, could I get a blanket, please? It's a little cold in here.
Let's repeat, slowly. Could I get a blanket, please?
Next, when the flight attendant asks about drinks, a natural answer is, I'll have water, please. Or, just juice for me, thank you.
Example, I'll have water, please. No ice. Second example, just juice for me, thank you.
Let's repeat together. I'll have water, please. Just juice for me, thank you.
Here's a polite phrase for when you need to pass someone. Excuse me, could I get by, please?
Example. Excuse me, could I get by, please? I need to use the restroom.
Let's repeat, slowly. Excuse me, could I get by, please?
And finally, a phrase for landing. What time do we land?
Example, what time do we land? I have a connecting flight.
Let's repeat together. What time do we land?
Listener, imagine you're settling into your seat right now. Try saying, quietly, could I get a blanket, please?
I always ask for a blanket even on warm flights. It just feels cozy.
Let's re-drill this cluster. Could I get a blanket, please?
I'll have water, please. Just juice for me, thank you.
Excuse me, could I get by, please?
What time do we land?
Wonderful. You're fully ready for the flight itself now, start to finish.
Ben, let's bring everything together now with one full role play, from check-in all the way to boarding.
I love this idea. I'll be the passenger. Anna, you play every airport staff member we meet.
Perfect. Let's begin. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to check in for my flight, please.
Of course. How many bags are you checking today?
Just this one bag, thank you.
Great. Would you like a window or aisle seat?
Could I have a window seat, please?
Absolutely. Here's your boarding pass. Security is just ahead.
Thank you so much.
Now, let's jump to security. Please remove your laptop and take off your jacket.
Sure, one moment, please.
And now, let's imagine you're a little lost, looking for your gate. Can I help you find something?
Yes, please. Is this the right gate for flight to Rome?
Almost. It's just 2 gates further down this way.
Thank you.
How much time do I have before boarding? About 20 minutes. Perfect time for a quick coffee. Could I get a small coffee to go, please? And scene. Ben, how did that feel, using all our phrases together? Honestly, so natural. Each phrase led perfectly into the next part of the journey. That's the real power of practice. Small phrases connected together, building a full, real conversation. Let's re-drill this final cluster one more time. I'd like to check in for my flight, please. Could I have a window seat, please? Sure, one moment, please. Is this the right gate for flight to Rome? Could I get a small coffee to go, please? You just completed a full airport journey from start to finish in English.
Now, listener, it's your turn.
First question. Think about your very next trip. What's the first phrase you'll need to use? Right at check-in.
Try saying it out loud, using today's exact words. I'd like to check in for my flight, please.
Second question. Window seat or aisle seat? Say your answer as a full sentence.
Third question. Imagine you're lost in a huge airport right now. Which phrase would you use first?
Could you point me to the nearest restroom? Or is this the right gate for flight?
And finally, a fun one. What's the very first thing you'll order once you land? Coffee, tea, or something else entirely?
There's no wrong answer here, listener. This is just fun, relaxed practice.
Drop your answers in the comments below using at least one phrase from today's episode.
For example, you could comment, "Could I have a window seat, please? I'm flying to Tokyo next month."
We'd genuinely love to hear about your upcoming trip. All right, Ben, let's bring it all together now with one big recap.
Let's start from check-in. I'd like to check in for my flight, please.
How many bags are you checking today? Could I have a window seat, please?
Now, security. Please remove your laptop.
Sure, one moment, please. Excuse me, is this the line for security? Which way to the gates, please?
Now, finding your way. Could you point me to the nearest restroom?
Is this the right gate for flight? How much time do I have before boarding? Could I get a small coffee to go, please?
And finally, on the plane. Could I get a blanket, please?
I'll have water, please. Excuse me, could I get by, please? What time do we land?
Let's say the 3 most useful phrases one final time, nice and slow, all together.
I'd like to check in for my flight, please.
Sure, one moment, please.
Could I get a small coffee to go, please?
Beautiful. You just reviewed every single phrase from today's episode.
Ben, I have to say, I genuinely feel ready to fly somewhere right now.
And listener, I want you to know something important. Your English is already better than it was at the start of this episode.
Every phrase you repeated with us today is now a little bit closer to being yours on your very next trip. Airports can feel busy and a little overwhelming, but now you have real, simple words for every single step. If this episode helped you feel more prepared, please give it a like. It truly helps this podcast reach more travelers like you.
And please share it with a friend who's planning a trip soon. It might be exactly what they need before boarding.
Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new episode with us.
And in the comments, tell us, where is your next trip taking you? Try writing it as a full sentence using one phrase from today.
We read every comment, and we truly love hearing about your travels.
Safe travels, listener. Speak with confidence, all the way from check-in to landing.
Until next time, take a breath, be proud of yourself, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now. Bye, everyone.